Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Stripe account on X. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Here, sign into your account. Once your Stripe account is ready, open a new tab and visit x.com. Sign into your X account using your registered email or username. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage. From here, click on the More option on the left-hand sidebar. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Monetization from that list. Inside the monetization section, you'll see options Become Premium Creator. Simply click on it. Before you can link Stripe, X will ask you to choose a premium plan if you haven't already. Review the available plans and select the one that best suits your content strategy and goals. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup. Once you've activated monetization, X will prompt you to connect your Stripe account. Click on the link provided and a new window will open to authorize the connection. Log into your Stripe account if asked and confirm the integration request. After confirming, you'll see a notification or message stating that your Stripe account has been successfully linked to X, and that's it. So that is how you can connect Stripe account on X. So that's all for this video. Thanks.